Let's talk about setting up your paperwork for a untreated alloabsorption. So for an untreated alloabsorption, if you're given a page like this shows you the R1, the R2, and the little r. What will be left in these serums are the negatives on each of the cells. So each of the negatives, okay? What will be absorbed out are what are antigen positive. So what you're going to do is create a new rule out based on what will be left in each one of the serums, R1, R2, and little r. So this is one way to do it. You can either just circle them, or you can highlight them. Or in this case, I'm going to show you how I did both. So this is your rule that you're setting up for your alloabsorption rule out after alloabsorption procedure. So what you can see here is we've set it up so that there is a negative in every single system. So there is a negative, one negative for D, two negative for big C, one negative for little c and big E, one negative for little e, two negative for big K, one negative for each one of the Duffies, one negative for each one of the kids, one or two negatives for Lewis A, Lewis B, one P1 negative, and then you have the same thing for the MNS system. So that basically what you're setting up is that if this entire antibody screen is negative, if you were to run all three absorbing cells and each one of them was non-reactive, that between the three serums, R1, R2, and little r, you would be able to rule out all common alloantibodies. So let's go to the next step of showing how to set up your anagram based on what your absorbing cells are.